What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I've got a lot of questions on how I do my eyebrows, and I do my eyebrows very different, so don't judge. Obviously everyone has different color eyebrows, everyone has different preferences on how light, how dark you want your eyebrows. A lot of people I've gotten in the past that my eyebrows are dark, but I like the way they look on myself, and I wouldn't suggest it on anyone else because I don't know how anyone else would like it. But if you like the way I do mine, then you could follow mine. It is a little different, but I just don't find like pomade very good on my eyebrows. I've done it before and it makes it really clumpy and dark, and I just don't like it. So I found a way that I could do it. I like it. It's super easy for me. I've been doing it for the longest time, and like I said, it is different. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, turn on your post notifications because I don't have a set schedule on posting. But I will very, 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 very soon, and I'm super excited about that. But as of right now, I don't. So make sure to turn those on so you guys don't miss a video. So if you want to see my eyebrow routine, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so these are the 3 brushes that I do use for my eyebrows. So for this first brush, I don't remember where I got it from, but it is just an angle brush, and I use this to outline my eyebrows and to fill in the outer corner of it. And it also has this little spoolie right here so I could brush my eyebrows. This is the second brush that I use. It was from a collection that I had got from Sephora, so there is no brand name or like number on this. I use this for a lighter color for my inner, so it gives that fade effect. And lastly, I use this brush to, of course, just conceal my eyebrows, to scope them out and make them as perfect as I want. This is a MAC 272, I believe. If that's not the correct brush, I'll go ahead and put the correct one on the screen, but I believe that is what this is called. And to fill in my eyebrows, of course, if you guys have been following me, I have been using eyeshadow, and I do use the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I use, it's a little dirty because I use this palette a lot. I do use this black eyeshadow right here for the outside and to line it, and for the inner side I use this brown right above it. Okay, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and brush them out. Very important step. It gives you just the outline of where you need to go and how much you need to fill in, so you don't overdo it and make your eyebrows like too thick. So I'm going in with the black color first, and I'm starting in the middle right here where this part ends, kind of where my arch begins, and just creating my own. I'm just following the arch in my eyebrow. And I do bring it down just a little more, just to give myself room for mistakes or anything like that. And also just to make my eyebrow look a little longer. And if you mess up like I just did right there, it's okay because you're gonna go back and conceal it anyway. So now when I'm done with that part, I'm gonna just lightly drag it a little further forward. So now I'm gonna start on the top, same concept. I'm gonna start right in the middle and work my way out. Very, very lightly. I'm not pressing really hard because it is black, so I'm lightly just stroking it all the way. I've never really been into any other eyebrow product, so I'm not sure if it like blends as easy as eyeshadow does, but eyeshadow you really don't have to press. It really just goes on super easy, so it makes it easy just to make these lines. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna bring this a little bit forward, and the same as the bottom, I'm lightly bringing it forward so it doesn't make no harsh lines in the front. Okay, and that is it for shaping it. Now I'm gonna go back in with the black again, just put a little more on my brush, and I'm just gonna start filling in from the outside. Okay, so that's all for filling in the outer side. I'm just gonna kind of brush this part right here just to blend it. And then I'm gonna go through the whole eyebrow. Okay, so now for the inner, I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here again with a little bit of the brown, and I'm just gonna lightly sweep upwards. And then again, just blend. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking Born This Way concealer and just concealing it. And I'm also taking this brush, which I explained at the beginning of this video. And I only take this concealer for the bottom, and then I use my foundation for the top because it's easier to blend in with my foundation overall. So now I'm just going to go ahead and shape it how I want it. And usually when I'm done with this, I'll bring it all the way down using it as a base for my eyeshadow, but since I'm not doing that, I'm just gonna lightly bring it down just a little bit, just to blend it out. And my biggest advice to making your eyebrows as even as possible is connecting this part right here and this part right here. No matter what, as long as you make these even right here, your eyebrows will look as even as possible, as even as you can make them, as long as these match. And you guys will see me doing that. I'm going to be doing this eyebrow without explaining, but you guys will see what I mean when I'm connecting them. And just making them as even as I can, because obviously, as we all say, your eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters, so you can't always make them as even as possible, but you could try. And that's my biggest advice to making them as even as possible. So for the top, I'm going to go ahead and take my Kat Von D Medium Neutral in 52, which is my foundation. And I'm just going to lightly conceal the top. And with this, I like to start more towards the end, just because I don't like to really conceal the front of my eyebrow, because it makes it really boxy, and I don't like the way that looks. And if you make any mistakes while you're concealing your eyebrows, it's okay, because I always go back and touch up whatever I messed up. So just do your best, and it's okay if you mess up anytime, because that's what concealer is for, and that's why you can always go back and touch it up. And then I lightly just drag it forward. I start from way back here and then just drag it forward, just so I get less product up here, because I don't want all this product up here. Like I said, it'll make it look really boxy and make this look super dark, which you don't want. Okay, so that is all for concealing. I'm gonna go ahead and touch up whatever I need to touch up with the same brush that already has eyeshadow on it, so I'm not gonna put any more. I'm just gonna kind of go over whatever needs to be redone with whatever is left on this brush. Okay, and that is all for my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other side. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I actually really loved the way my makeup came out today. It's super bronzy, but simple, very simple, super easy. So if you guys want me to do a bronze simple look for you guys, comment down below or DM me on my social medias, which I'll put somewhere on the screen so you guys could go ahead and follow me on my social medias to keep up with me. And also, whenever I post a lot on my Instagram story of video ideas and certain things that I would like your guys' input on, because at the end of the day, I am making videos to entertain you guys. So make sure you do go follow my social medias. So that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.